All right, welcome everyone. That's where we're at. I'm not sure if it was yesterday or this morning, but either way, we're getting our wheels mounted. So we're making some pretty good progress here. This is step 14 today. Like I said at the end of the last one, I'm pleased with the way this is turning out. I like the size of it. I think that's going to end up making it much easier to work on as we proceed. And without any further ado, let's jump in here. Now, this is W3 that doesn't have the wheel on the back, like the smaller offset. And I guess I should pull the pieces too on that. Okay. C16, just a little chunk right there. Come off. And that's then P5 times 4. 2 of those. So 2 more. These things are always difficult to get a hold of. And P10, which is a 75 mil axle. Let's see, I don't really need to, but I'm gonna. Where this is located will never see the light of day again, but I wanted to get that off of there. Okay. So, get our little jig there. And then down. Put this on as an offset to change, make sure we need clearance for the gear. That's why that's a thing. W3, get you on. Come here. Push. Run you down here. Yeah. Yep, there we go. And you go. Oh, I hope y'all been able to hear me because I forgot to put my mic on again. I got a new mic. I think I mentioned a couple of days ago. I'm trying to get in the habit of working with. Okay, back to. I'm pretty sure it was close enough. And you go through that hole. Right there. Whoop. And okay. And this one. Okay, so we are. Okay, so this pretty much got clearance on that spring gear there. So we're. Whoop. Let me just get you over here, like I know I'm going to end up doing anyway. Oh, you're not tall enough, but okay. It says to put this one on. Let's see, actually going to put you up against that. Make sure everything stays flush. And you're supposed to go down. Back out just a touch. Okay, so I still got clearance on there. That's supposed to be snug up against this side frame, according to the picture. Then, as to be expected, W2. Get a bit of a clearance issue here. That is the right. Yeah, that's the right hole. Yeah, that's. Yeah, and that's. All right, that's. Not something I had foreseen. Okay, so new plan. Now if I can't get it unstuck, let's push you back through. And this one in there. And now push it down. Okay, got clearance over there. And actually, I'm probably squeezing the frame together a little bit there based on how much slack I've got here. Am I supposed to? No. I want to see 16. There, huh? Okay. I'm going to pull this back up to where it's flush. There. Okay. Okay, that's a snug enough fit where that's okay. And that pretty close to lining up. It's not exact. There's a little offset there, but I don't think that's going to be much of an issue. And all the wheels are making contact with the ground. I don't really think it matters. I think just actually, I guess it's just these two that really matter because they're going to be the ones that have the drive on them, obviously, with the gears. Yeah, but they're all hitting. All right. Yeah. So, and that takes care of step 14. I said really taking shape now. It's going to be, obviously, we're going to build up from the bottom of the plan. Now have to put our steam tank in. And that's got to start pretty quick. It looks like, actually, 16 looks to be a pretty involved step, and 15 does not. So I'm going to go ahead and do 15 now because it's just like putting 6 pieces on. Alright, so 13, 14, and 15 times 2. So I think I can get this done in a couple of minutes. So I wouldn't normally do this, but I will this time. Just because I happened to glance down and see the extent of step 16. It's basically assembly and putting it onto the machine. Okay, real quick sanding. Okay, and one more. Okay, so basically it's just going to be inserting these into the wheels, it looks like. So 15, 14, and 13 is the way they go. So let's go. I think I would. Okay. Snug. 14. Of course, I can't tell if it's going. It doesn't look like it's deep enough. That's. I don't think. Let's have a look at the 15. See how deep it went in. Yeah, it's still got some. Oh no. I didn't line that one up. So I'm going to take that one back off. So this may not be doing, I may do that off camera. And what was the back? Back was 13. Alright, so that's, hard to get leverage on this one. Maybe I can do it with, there you go. That's the trick. And I did the same thing on this side too. I didn't line up the hole. Alright, so 14's got to wait. I'll do that off camera. And 15 is the front. Now that I discovered that tool is useful for this, let's see if it'll work twice. Yeah, there we go. Let's just apply some real pressure to it. Okay. Okay. All right. Like I say, that's. I'll disassemble this axle and fix all that off camera. I won't make y'all watch that because I don't want to make these videos. I am trying to make these videos as short as I can. But otherwise, that'll get us set up for step 16, which is basically it's like it's gonna be assembling this part right here, maybe times 2. Yeah, it looks like we're doing both sides at once. All right. Anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, I'm back. It was not much issue to get that. I used my handy dandy Lego tool to wedge them up, and then once I was able to put a piece inside here and then just work my way around, and it popped right off and didn't break or anything, so I'm pleased for that. Now I'll just put these in right quick and I'll finish up this video. I think. A little wiggle and a jiggle. Go on. Go on. This is the tallest one, so it is hard to get the... Ooh, that feels bad. But it's done. Hopefully this side will line up better. And just wiggle in. Yeah, no, you're not going to be more cooperative. Okay. Ooh, feels bad, feels bad, feels bad. Don't break, don't break, don't break, don't break. Alright. Now we're officially done with step 16. No, step 15, excuse me. And that was, I say, this big one is nerve-wracking. It was the hardest one to get in, and it was most likely to break, I'd say. Alright. The end. I promise, guys. I won't come back again.